Hello. Okay, so this is May 25th, 2021. I think I'm done trading for today. I'm not gonna take any more trades. Um, Essentially, I have been trading just the ES today. This was not the ES, the MES. This was the plan, which looking at it in hindsight, based on the way I traded today, I should have just stuck to that plan of really just shorting. Oh no, and I'm tempted now. This is what I was expecting, but I'll go over what I did. So price has kind of been rallying up. We've got three pushes down, up. We already have a wedge and a break of this channel. So I went short early this morning on the break of this candle. This is a supply region, excuse me, that I had charted, but short not only because we're in a supply region, a daily supply region, which I've taken out, but we were in one, or we are in one. Then yeah, so we've been going up. We've broken this channel, so we're probably going to be in a trading range, or we're going down, one or the other, based on the daily chart. So what happened in my first trade? Actually, I'll just put this up here on my first trade and show trades, show trades, show trades. Where are we? I think I put it in here. Yeah, show trades. All right, so these were all my trades. So what I did today was, like I said, I went short on this bar, just kind of bought the market as this bar closed. Yeah, so just about there. Was hoping to get it there, but got it there. And then got out on this bar with, by mistake, hit buy and put a buy limit. And so I got filled twice, i.e., canceling this order, like buying, covering my short, and then buying up. And yeah, I mean, I didn't lose money in the process, but I lost money in commissions and fees, which was very annoying. I then now went short. Was it here? No, no, no. Was it here? Yeah, I went short with one contract. And why did I go short? I went short sort of speculating a break of this level, which is also in confluence with a demand level that had been created. So I went short there, kind of saw, well, it was just the idea. And I thought, well, we should definitely go short and we should definitely break this level and be on a downtrend. The reason being that we have broken out of this, we've broken out of this channel and we should be going down. That I'm now realizing is probably not a good idea. And the idea being that I'm trying to trade the higher time frame on a lower time frame, which is the other way around. You use the lower time frame to get into an entry for the higher time frame. When you're trading a lower time frame, you need to stick to the chart. The upper time frame can give you an idea, but you can't let the upper time frame give you a bias, because you may not be going down today. You may be going sideways. You may just go up. Whatever happens, and that's something I have learned. Trade the chart that's in front of you. We consolidated for a bit, so I kept on shorting even more, added two more, and I had three contracts in, and got out. Got the first one out when this broke, and I think this was the sign that we were even going lower. And then just started covering more, and then this one came. Excuse me. Took this one out, I think, when this broke this level. Yeah, I put a stop here because I just assumed that maybe this is a wedge. One push, two push. This is the exhaustion bar, and indeed it was. But price did not. The follow through wasn't so great, and this should have been my cue that we are definitely going short. As a result, I redrew my channel because I had the channel drawn from. This was my initial channel. And then I redrew my channel again. And then just waited. Then when price, and I assumed this was where was it? I assumed this was, actually it was, sorry. I'm trying to remember what I did, but I assumed this was a wedge. So, or this was the third push, which doesn't make sense because this is the exhaustion leg. And so I went long at the break of this level with one contract. It didn't work. Price got down here and added another contract again, went short, so went long again, didn't work out. Went long again over here, so we had three contracts in because I was in the red. So I was hoping we could cover and get our, get out a break even over here. The price never went up. It was such a very strong sell. Added three more because I already had three in here. So I thought, okay, maybe this is the exit point. Maybe this is the overshoot for this wedge. That didn't really work. And so I had six contracts in. And then I now just discovered that, hang on, we had a consolidation region. This is a breakout. So what's the measured move? So I put in here a measured move target for this consolidation here from this point over here, and added six more aggressively. When we got in here, chopped around for a bit, and added three more. So I had 15, and I was targeting this level. And when we got to about that level, just about there, I got out, just for that. So now I believe we are now in an uptrend. We were in shorts. I think we're now always in longs. And I'm just going to watch this. I'm done trading for the day. I'm not going to take any more trades. I'm just going to keep an eye on what's happening. We should test this level and possibly test this level. Yeah, we did test it. And that was where I initially put my stop. But I think I just really wanted to get out, like, completely. I wasn't ready to buy more contracts. And the reason why that was the case, is purely because with TD Ameritrade, the cost of each contract, one side is $2.25. So in and out is $4.50. I've done 20 buy sells, and that has brought it to 20. So that is $90 I would have spent on fees. As a result, I thought, you know what? Let's just get out now. There is no telling what's going to happen. This has actually behaved as I expected it to, but you never know. This is trading here, and I was really targeting this area only because I believe this is, there's all this selling. This is a supply region on the 5-minute chart. So chances are we are probably going to go down. And yeah, we've kind of stalled there. If we break this trend line, then we definitely are always in long, or at least going sideways. Maybe that will be the pullback for the day. I've got other things I want to do, which is the reason why I'm going to stop trading now. But I'm glad for two things, or one or two things. The first one is managing this trade and not panicking, even though we were low. But also just having more confidence in price action and understanding how price moves and knowing how to control and manage a trade even when it's going against you, and using, price action. So for instance, now this is the first push, this is the second push, and this is the exhaustion gap or the exhaustion push. So this is a wedge, and which I'm going to mark now. Here we go. Yeah, so this is a wedge, or maybe this was a wedge, I don't know, whatever it was. And then just taking it long. Normally I would take it long from here, and then have this as my stop, and then just taking it as far as I can. But today I don't want to do that. I really should have just stuck to the plan or the idea, which is focus on the chart in front of you. Stop trading with a bias. And I think that's what's damaging my trading. All right, gonna go do some work now.